Hello everybody. Today we have some fixing series. Let me show you what happened and what we need to do. That's my kitchen stove. And as you can see, one knob is broken. Not only one, but that one also has broken. Let me show you what's the issue. You see, part of that internal plastic just broke apart or fallen off. Let me try to take it apart. So also there should be, you see there are two knobs, there should be four of them, but there is only two, and that internal part is completely broken inside. Now we will have to fix it somehow. I propose to use 3D printing. Come on.
Okay, I know what the question is. Why would you not just buy a new part, So I went to Lamona to use spare parts. Already found the knob. Check that. Almost 20 pounds for one knob. And I need at least two of them. Better four. Let's see. Let's add them to basket. And all that together with delivery, that give us almost 88 pounds, which is absolutely insane. I found another shop. Let's go. Some part center. Slightly cheaper, 15 pounds per one knob. Let's see. Buy now. View basket. Okay. Total price with delivery almost 64 pounds, which is still crazy just for four knobs. It's insane. So let's go and build some. Okay, I spent some time and designed all those parts in CAD system. Designed such a nice insert inside here that we will have to 3D print. That's our marker insert that we'll have to 3D print. And that's a new core of the knob that we'll also have to 3D print. Let me show you how it looks. You see it has a relief for that marker. It has reliefs for all those 4 pins and that will central one. You see that's inside. Also, it has a, let me just rotate it. It has a cutoff for switch like handle. I did it slightly bigger to make it easier to fit and added such 4 dips, 2 on each side. They're like 0.1 millimeter high, so it will make it easier to install. And let's load it into Cura and print it. Okay, I loaded all our parts into Cura. 4 notches and 4 cores, which will take 3 hours and 16 minutes to print. And we will spend 28 grams of filament to print 4 parts for 4 knobs. All that together, depending on the price of filament, will cost around 30 pence. So in any case, less than a pound. Let's go print it.
All right, let me show you what do we have here and what we will do. I printed 2 of those inserts. That's white PTG plastic. 2 markers, and I have 2 knobs. One is already prepared. I separated top part, and I did such a cutout in that one. You see, I use a carbide bit on a Dremel tool. Focus, please. And I cut that internals up to that edge. Yeah, you see, to create such a step. That step is important because that's how we will glue all that back together. Yeah, you see, it holds on that step, and that's how we will glue it. Yeah, let me show you how it was before I cut that out. Yeah, you see, it has all those internal part that is always breaking apart, and you see it's broken here, and there are such like a groove. Yeah, so we need to cut all that flush until we reach that groove. Yeah, and to get such result. Yeah, that's how we will make it. Let me prepare that one as well, and I will get back to you. All right, we have our parts ready. The only thing we need to do with that part is to remove those two notches, because I did not make a relief for them in 3D model and they are really not needed. So I will simply cut them off with a knife, and that's all. Yeah, just trim that flat, and that's basically it. Yeah, I will mix some two component glue. All right, let's apply it to those reliefs. Yeah, on both parts and a bit in the middle. Yeah. Don't put it on that area because we will have to put our marker pins there. Yeah, and if you put glue right now, it will float that relief, and you won't be able to assemble it together. Yeah. Okay, just like that. Take our part, align that hole with that cutoff. Yeah, by the way, let's apply a bit glue on those on those areas as well. Not too much, but just a bit. Yeah. So it will glue very well together. And basically simply align and push them together. Yeah, nothing special. Now I will use a clamp to temporarily hold it in place. Yeah, and we leave it for like 5 minutes to settle. And just check that there is no excessive glue sticking out. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to the next one. Same thing. Apply, and two more places. One and the second one. Yeah, and same procedure. Align, push, and compress. Okay, yeah, nice. Let's leave it for 5 minutes to settle. 5 minutes later, it's already pretty well settled. Let me mask those notches, because I don't want glue to stick on the front face. Yeah, so I will apply masking tape temporary. Yeah, just to put the glue and prevent it from sticking to the front face. Yeah, just like that. One and second one. I know that don't really matter, but just be accurate, because we can always make it wrong, but the goal is to make it right. Yeah. Okay. Let's mix some fresh portion of glue. You don't need much for that. Okay, now we need to move quick. All right. Moment of truth. Apply it in that notch. Yeah. Remove excessive. And immediately press that white marker. Remove the tape. And gently push that marker to make it flat. Yeah. Cool. One and second one quickly. The key is to move quickly. 1, 2. That one goes in. Yeah. Okay. Masking tape goes off. And align. Alright. Alright. Cool. Just check that it's flat. Oops. Oh my gosh. That's why it's important to keep some towel nearby. Alright, 5 more minutes later. I already mixed a good portion of glue, maybe even slightly too much, but that happens, And we will apply it on that inner edge. You see where I'm applying it? On that inner edge that we previously made. Yeah. Be pretty generous with the glue. Yeah, you see I'm applying it pretty generously. Now apply a bit on those areas. Yeah, where it will sit together with the shell. And now final touch, just push it. Why it doesn't want to? Okay, just push it in. Yeah, push it in, and that's basically it. Let me just slightly remove excessive glue so it won't drip. Yeah. There's one thing that we need to do. We need to take a drop of glue and put it straight into that center. Yeah. To glue our marker top to the base in the center. Yeah. Just apply a tiny bit of glue, make it like flat. Yeah. In that area. Yeah. Do you see what I mean? There, inside. And that will be it. Now we can wipe it and leave it to dry. Now I will let it dry for like 30 minutes just to be sure that it's completely cured, and we'll put it on a stove. Yeah, let's go. Alright, now let's see if that will work. Yeah. Let's check it. One and another one. Oops. Oh, that's cool. Works just like a factory one, but looks much better. You see the original one, that marker is not visible, it's black on black. Our one is white on black, which is, I think it's much better, you know. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.